Hi, how are you? Welcome to my channel Home Food and Healthy Food. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Today we are going to make fish fry and oven roasted veggies easy, tasty, and healthy recipe. One good thing about this recipe is, we require only few ingredients. That's cool, right? Let's see. We need 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili or cayenne pepper powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. If you have seasoning blend powder then add 1 teaspoon, otherwise that's totally fine. Add salt to taste. Turmeric. 1 tablespoon of lime juice. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Cooking oil. 3 fish fillets. Now add all ingredients. Add few pinches of turmeric. Add few drops of oil. Mix all ingredients well. Take 1 medium bowl of mixed vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, carrot, gold-bus squash. Also you can add mushrooms. Make sure these vegetables are chopped. Add salt to taste. Add few pinches of turmeric powder. Now add 1 tablespoon of herbs and spices seasoning powder mix. Add 1 tablespoon of virgin olive oil, adjust as per the quantity. Mix all ingredients well. Now place the vegetables on the aluminum sheet cover. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes on 400° Fahrenheit. Take 1 medium-sized fry pan and switch on the stove on medium-low flame. Add few drops of oil. After oil is heated, add marinated fish fillets. Now close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. Open the lid and now flip the fillets and cook for another 5 minutes. After it's fried properly, remove to a plate. Now check the veggies cooked or not. Once it's cooked, now broil for another 5 to 10 minutes, then remove to a plate. Wow, veggies are ready and fish is ready. Let's take a bite and see how it's taste. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another interesting videos. Until then, stay safe.